what you call it? But what's the name?
Peter, you know I had to get the recording to jump. All right, so you got the pipe. Good to go.
Good to go. Get that 48 back up.
Yep. ALX, baby.
I see Max.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Boy Crucial RC here. A little quick video. Just met a new cat. New named Bobby. Met him through Peter. Out there running 5th gears out there at what is that? That football field. He has a, let's go ahead and turn this around. He has a DRP pipe that he bought, and it was a crack when he bought it. And it's done split up like crazy since he's had it. There we go. So we're gonna see if we can clean this up real good. Lay a nice bead on this for him, right? Silence pipe. All right, so let's get to it, baby. All right, so I got my grinder with a flap disc on here. I think this is what, 60 grit or something, flap disc. Might be more than that. Can't even tell really. 40 grit flap disc. We're gonna take that, hit it up real good on this area, get some of this oil off of here so we can get a nice weld on that. So we're getting it there. I'm just going to take I got a wire brush right now to get down these little crevices so I can get some nice clean welds on this thing. Alright, so we're going to use the wire brush to try and get these other little small parts, small little crevices on it. Like I said, make sure you got your safety glasses on too, guys. Alright, so let me show you how this thing came out. Looks pretty good. Nice and clean, and we're gonna take this to the welder and lay a little bead down on here. All right, so this is what I'm using to weld with. This is little 140 HD, little 120 volt joint, MIG with the gas, 50/50 argon mix, and we got it set up on the table. And like I said, it's gonna be a little simple weld. Shouldn't be that difficult. Fill this in. I'll probably get this to a good angle where I can get to it, but this shouldn't be bad at all. There we go. We're gonna knock these bugs down with the grinder, the flap disc joint. We should be good to go. Damn, got cracks on the bottom too. Look at that. Y'all got a crack all on the bottom, right along here. It's a crack. Damn. All right, let's see if we can get this bottom weld on here. I hope it'll be done. It wasn't too bad on it, but it definitely was a crack on the bottom of this thing. so there we go. Like I said, not the prettiest, but not the worst neither. And the best part about it is it penetrated. All right, I just hit it down with some prep white all over the area, and we're gonna just hit it with a little bit of high heat Rust-Oleum on here. All right, so paint's still drying on it. High temperature paint. Did the good blow test on it, covered the end up, blew on it. No air escaped out of there, so welds are holding. Looks good. Like I said, the top and the bottom of this thing was all cracked up and messed up, man. That's crazy. Anyhow, got you back together, Bobby. And Peter's on his way over here to come pick this thing up. And then guys, I'll see you on the next one. All right? So we helped another fellow 5th scale brother out. Keep him brapping. And I'll catch you on the next one, baby. All right? Out.